have today? This man's been wanting to be in videos for so long now. Look, he's here.
Nah, you're 3D.
And we got Sunny today, helping out.
What's up? Bro, the same color? Oh my god.
It's a father-son build, right? So walk around.
Oh, I get it.
You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the idea.
That's cool though.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. I think today we're gonna try and throw on the wing and the rear bumper. This is Duraflex stuff, so this is not gonna be fun.
Oh, it is a lot heavier than I thought.
Yeah, wide wing, bro. And it doesn't cover all the holes like I thought it did. 1, 2, 3, middle, 1, 2, 3, and that's it, huh?
So it's 5 holes. No, I'm tripping.
Damn, y'all heard that? He
7,
said 5,
7
screws? You ever install a spoiler?
Never.
Oh no.
What I'm thinking is crayons.
Crayon?
Mark the screw, and then put it on top, and it'll mark the little dots.
If we had a
That's
template.
smart.
We took off all the nuts underneath and we're seeing it line up. There's actually no gapping issues and it actually lined up pretty well for a Duraflex spoiler, so y'all haters can stop hating because this actually worked out. But their idea is to use a pencil, since it's just a wrap, to see if we can mark kind of where it's supposed to be. And I think we're gonna try and measure the holes from underneath.
That's gonna be tough.
To the lines, yeah.
I don't know if we can just outline this, and then punch the hole.
That's smart too,
Facts,
off the
facts,
corners.
facts.
Okay, let's do that, dude.
So we're gonna leave this
you
dot
line
right
the
here.
hole up to that.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this. This is some like engineering type stuff.
Where's it, bro? Where's it?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Where's the other one at?
Right
Right here?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, so you got the 2 holes already. See how well you can get this lined up here.
So,
you got your
boom.
holes there. Oh my god, we're just gonna drill holes. Alright, I think we have to lift the hatch up so we don't like drill into the frame. Alright, we have our ghetto holes. We man, you can barely see them. But we did our little template style. Let's see if drilling these is gonna, if these are gonna line up or not.
Is there anything under it? If there isn't anything under it, we should be good to drill.
There you go. Dude, this hatch is way thicker than the BRZ trunk was for the ducktail. Alright. Oh wow, that actually looks really good on camera. We have one more bolt we need to get.
Show the.
No.
Show the thing.
Yes, I will. There's a gap right now, but it's because we don't have the middle bolt. We're gonna go to Home Depot and get a longer bolt so we don't have to like drill through the whole layers of the trunk. Thanks, Sonny.
You're welcome.
Thank you. He definitely did most of the work drilling and making templates and stuff.
For real.
What's up, Thomas?
Look who we got. We got Adam and Jonathan.
We on the YouTube.
I don't even know
On
who
the
these people
YouTube.
are, bro. I literally I haven't.
We're the OGs.
Yeah.
Go back 3
Cue
years of
the
videos.
clips.
I don't know if I still have that.
Insert cool WRX
That's
clips here.
probably
The
gone,
Nismo
bro.
wing is a must.
I haven't seen y'all
Bro, this
since
nigga
I started
janky
this
as fuck.
YouTube journey, bro.
All right, come on, guys. Let's come, subscribers.
Nobody
Let's look
wants
at
to
the
see
new
this
whip.
car, bro. I'm literally gonna give you 1 second of spotlight. You got this? Oh, it's this one? Okay.
The next day.
Look who we got in the house today. Hello?
Stop.
No, you don't have to do all that. This is what's going in the video.
No.
Yes, this
Let me
is.
Stop.
Alright, look who we got in the house today. I'm putting the other parts in.
You're so.
Okay, you ready to see the spoiler? Oh, we also got Sunny and my dad in here today.
What about this? This is nice.
Oh yeah, see this is where the satin black comes from, guys. You guys, black and
These two join together.
that's literally what it is.
That's what it is. Look at this satin black.
Man, just wait till you see the rim
I
setup.
like the satin black, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's nice.
you got it on the rear end, so go look at the wing.
Damn, is it gonna fly?
Yeah,
No, it looks good. It looks good.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks good.
I feel like it makes it look less
Huh?
it makes the car look less bubbly on the rear.
Yeah, it looks good. It balances the car out.
Yeah.
It doesn't look naked.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
And today we are gonna install the rear bumpers so we can have this all kind of flowing because this is still bubbly.
Yeah, man. All right, you're on your own, man.
Where he going? Where he going? What the hell?
All right, let's take this apart then, huh?
Alright. It's that one, yeah.
This one, right?
Yep. That one is nice. Look at that.
Yeah.
That one's really nice. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, looks good.
More aggressive. Okay. We got the rear bumper.
No,
off.
we even got cobweb and everything.
Yeah, it's disgusting. It's very dirty. Look at my hands, they're black. We had to get all the, we took the tail lights off.
Man, I should buy you some damn gloves.
Got
boy.
these bolts off. No need for
Can't buy
gloves.
no gloves.
No need for gloves.
We're missing a screw over here though.
Probably missing a lot of things. Just a couple nuts and screws.
Just give me one
And
back,
then
dude.
you got your
I
tabs.
just wipe some of this
Yank
shit
it out and then unplug the 3 plugs. Oh, those just came out?
Yeah.
What was it? Just 2 screws?
Yep.
Okay, so we got those lights that we got to put in the new one. That's okay right here. How's it?
Damn! We done. Let's go.
Where are you going?
Zip ties.
It might come down to that.
No, we'll figure this out.
So we're gonna make a little marker here, I guess. This is the game plan.
I would pop this out, pop this out, pop this out. I was hoping you marking the metal, then we know where it's at.
Metal over there.
Yeah, it's metal too, so it's perfect. You know what? We can use this hole and
It's like pop clips.
hey, no, look, we can use these holes and buy those.
Washer.
No, the one that goes from in and the nut.
Bow
There,
nut.
nut. There you go, bow nut. Bow nuts.
Bone nuts.
Bow nuts.
What the hell are you talking about? Maybe my audience will know what they're talking about.
Bow nuts, sonny.
Really just
Pop it up. Just turn it sideways, man.
I tried that. That's why you can't get that on.
No, look, check it out. See, that's all you gotta do.
Check it out, camera. What do you guys see?
It's always gotta be.
I see a
All
fif-
you gotta do is.
I see a $50,000 watch struggling. That's what I see.
Yeah, it's not working.
Oh, you saw that?
See that?
Little strategy.
That's how it's done. Alright, that's how it's done.
Alrighty, so little quick update. My dad and Sonny went to go buy some nuts for the bumper, and then Alyssa went to go get me and her some boba. So I am here alone to give you guys a little bit of an update on the bumper swap. The stock bumper basically came off. We were just like prying on it till we saw the areas that was holding on to it. I would say the main thing was the top part. It was just these tabs here. You kind of had to get in there and like flathead to remove the tabs from the bumper. And then on the sides, you had like one nut up here, 10 mil nut, and then a couple screws, and then a nut underneath. And then on the other side, same thing. And then from under the car, it looked like there was supposed to be tabs, but on our car there wasn't. And now we're just gonna be bolting up our new bumper, which should be pretty easy. All we did was drill 3 holes on the top, and we're gonna do a nut and washer setup because we removed these clips from these holes as you guys saw, and we put the bolt in here and then a nut and a washer here. Then we're gonna figure out where to line things up on the sides. So.
That's too big, bro.
Alright,
Yeah.
we're putting the blinkers back in the bumper. Obviously it's not gonna sit flush, but Duraflex obviously gives you nowhere to actually mount these. So they're gonna zip tie it on the sides here.
I'm gonna angle the other way now.
Your 2 zip ties, where are they?
There you go. See? Yeah. It's good. Perfect.
Alright, rear bumper's on. We basically did the 3 bolts up here with the nuts under, and then washers. He just put self-tapping screws here, 2 of them on each end, so it is not going to be going anywhere. And
Good.
it's actually
That's good.
it's actually on very sturdy, and yeah, that's definitely not coming off. But we are going to have to Dremel this area a little bit so the taillights can fit. And other than that, it's pretty much done. And we got the blinkers to sit pretty well, you know, considering what the bumper is. I think that's crazy.
Is this side?
Yeah.
This side works.
That should be it right there.
Nice.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Yeah,
Look
you're
at
the
that
man.
cutting skills, man.
You're the man.
Well,
You got the man
in.
skill.
Rear
There you go,
bumpers
bro.
on.
Let's put this bitch together.
Got a little bit of gapping. But we're gonna put it back.
Yeah.
Everything back. Put the wheels back. The taillights back.
Alright, man. All this hard work.
Let's see it.
Good
Let's
day.
see if the hatch closes or not.
Moment of truth,
Oh
right?
my gosh. Wow, look at that.
Ooh.
Now that looks so much better.
It looked like a Porsche in the back here. Doesn't it? No.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I know.
Don't look at anything else.
Yeah,
Just look at this bitch right
Yeah,
here. It
yeah.
looks like a Porsche.
It does.
No, seriously.
And that's serious. Yeah.
No, I'm not. Are you don't see it?
Without the wing,
No, you don't.
it would look like a.
No, just ignore this. That's what I'm saying. Just look at this part, like
Yeah,
right here.
yeah.
It looked like a back of a Porsche. Let's wrap it up, man. Long day.
Yeah?
We're gonna put the
And
piece
put
wheels, right?
it back down.
No, we're not doing. Yeah, I couldn't believe it turned out good, huh?
Yeah.
Turned out really
It's
good.
got one exhaust tip on it too. There she is. On the ground. Wow.
It looks so good, bro. That's unloaded. So imagine you take that exhaust out. It looks good. Actually, new exhaust gonna look really good.
Yeah, we have a new exhaust for it too.
Exhaust looks like shit right now.
And just like that, the rear of the 350Z is done. We still have to put on the wide body flares and the new wheels, so this is gonna poke out a little bit more. But other than that, the Amuse Style Spoiler and rear bumper are on, and I think it looks great. I honestly couldn't be happier with the way this turned out. I really like the way this wing and rear bumper makes the car look less bubbly in the rear. That's probably my biggest pet peeve about 350Zs is how round it is on the back. But with this spoiler and rear bumper, it really makes it look more aggressive and squarish. And that's just my taste in cars. So really cool to have that wing, you know, to see it in the back and have it in the rearview mirror. It's just something that I love to feel, especially when I had my Type R. I could see a wing like this in the back, so this is nice to have. But yeah, overall, as you guys saw, the install wasn't too bad. It's been a couple days. All the parts are folding up perfectly fine, and the gapping is not that terrible. This kit really surprised me because I was expecting this to be like complete garbage, not even fit around the car, not even the wing fit on the car, but they all fit just fine. Just took a little bit of shaving on the rear bumper, and other than that, it's on. So there's little gapping obviously in the taillight portion to the quarter panel, but it's on both ends. And come on guys, it's a drift car, so this wasn't too upsetting to us. This actually turned out really nice, really aggressive. We already had Justin wrap the spoiler and the rear bumper, so it matches the satin black. I'm about to go ship out these orders from Brian and Dante. Super cool that people are still supporting the channel even a couple weeks after the website launch, so I think that's really awesome. I figured there's no harm in saying people's first name. That's how I'm gonna give recognition to the people that support the channel and support the brand Risen. So thank you, Brian and Dante. I will have these orders out to you guys ASAP. Next up, obviously we need to get the rest of this car to match, and then we also want to get the wheels on. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.